Life is flow for sure, right? You need to flow with life. But is flowing how, where? That means it cannot just flow. It's like water. Let's say water is flowing. Flowing from where to where? There has to be boundaries. There has to be structures through which life force or energy is flowing through. So that's why there's gonna be an opposite of flow. The opposite of flow is structure, is boundaries, is like static. And those two, they don't leave each other. They are one and the same. One is particle, and another one is what do you call it? String, right? Particle and I forgot the name, right? Once I remember, yeah, well, I'll tell you. Now, one is zero, another one is one. If you're coming from a tech point of view, zeros and ones, the binary. You cannot make a computer without the zeros and ones. But those two are the same. One is potential, another one is particular. So in order for us to create music, it's the same. We do the same. There is the tension. Tension is like those structures, and there's the release. That's the flow. It mimics that. There's lines and there's curves, within painting. You see lines and you see the flow. It's in nature, it's everywhere, and there's levels to this. So the reason why we don't all align with the same structure and flows through same structure is because we are codependent but interdependent and independent in a way. Like you need to make your own structure. I need to make my own structure through which flow will go through. If I don't make my own structure, it's a problem. Look at a plumber. You have a house, a plumber is gonna have to make sure these pipes are gonna go through here because there's flow that is gonna go through them. You cannot control the flow. You can only control the structure. Same with electricity. You have to make schema, right? Those structures where electricity will go through. Even the electricity providers, they just create structures through which the flow will come from. They don't create the water where they get their whatever electricity, or they can create those whatever to capture the energy. That's the flow. The energy is the flow, and they create structure through which it will go through to multiply it and distribute it. It's the same. So create your own structures. You can have a chord progression through which your melody is gonna go through. You can create. That's a structure, a chord progression. Yeah, I know my melody is gonna go through these progressions. Or you create the progression and then the melody goes through it without you knowing. Go on a piano or on a guitar and have a 4 chord progression. Let's say A minor, A minor, G, D, and A, right? That's a very common progression. Just play it for 3 minutes, and then go on your scale. Start playing around your scale. You're gonna find the melody. Where is the melody coming from? Nowhere. From within that structure. The flow is the melody. Melody is gonna flow within that structure, out of nowhere. But it's also the laws of those structures that are determining where it's gonna go. So have fun with it. Create your own structure in your life, as in general. Know what you should do. Create your routines. Create whatever. That's how life works, and then life will flow into that. There's no way you can get money without plans of where money is gonna go through. Money is energy, and it's gonna flow within your structure. If you don't have a structure, don't expect much.